Hello, Berserkers and Shield Maidens. This is Tasty Graph here. Do you know that feeling when you worked on art for your game and you're like, hey, this is kind of neat, but something's off? And then you discover isometric art. And the past few days I've kind of looked into ways to learn how to do isometric art, and I feel kind of bad because I really want to redo the majority of my art. Like, these buildings are kind of a front view. This is a 5-minute isometric art sketch where I basically laid out a grid and quickly threw some lines on. And wow, I really feel that it looks so much better. I don't know, what do you guys feel or think? I kind of went with isometric here. I mean, this was eyeballing it, and then later I put the grid on and I could see, okay, I'm totally not really that good at eyeballing it. Obviously it's not going to be super clean lines like this. This is just for the sketch, and then when I'm done cleaning it up, I'm going to do a little bit of indentations and scratches and nicks and stuff to kind of make it less. So yeah, I mean, I'm not going to change like the trees, and I'm probably, well, actually I am not going to change the swamp either, or the mountains and stuff, but I'm very tempted to change these two buildings just to kind of make sure that everything is in the same art style. And I really I like this one. It's just, I don't know, it just looks way better. So thanks guys for being super patient, and sorry for taking ages to get the art done. Right now I'm working before heading off to work. Yeah, I heard you like work, so I put work in your work so you could work while working. Anyways, Tasty Graph out. Thank you guys for listening and watching. Hope you have a great day.